Hey everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to the update of Law of Attraction Challenge. As you remember, last time we embarked on a 48-hour experiment to attract a specific thing, and I requested a loving gift or kindness. I was curious to see how the Law of Attraction would work its magic. Well, I have to say the results were absolutely mind-blowing. After I made the request, while I was fine-tuning my last video, something truly extraordinary happened. I was using AI to generate captions, and as I was reviewing the footage, I noticed something peculiar. There was a section where was about recalling a sad memory, and the AI generated captions that read I love you, I love you. Now this is incredibly strange because the AI was supposed to generate captions based on the audio, but there was no audio at that point. The phrase I love you was nowhere in my script or any previous content. At first I just thought the AI was funny. But when I remembered my request to the universe, I was stunned. Could this be a sign? A message from the universe? I mean, I had just finished a video focused on attracting love and kindness and made a request. It's almost as if the universe was responding in its own mysterious way. To make things even more surreal, the very next day I received a message from my ex-boyfriend asking to meet up. Now, I want to be clear, I wasn't expecting this at all. But looking back, it feels like a series of events connected by something bigger than coincidence. However, this experience also highlights the importance of clarity when using the law of attraction. While I had a general desire for love and kindness, my intention wasn't entirely specific. The universe, in its playful way, responded with a universal message of love. It sent me I love you message.
I love you too, universe, but I need a physical hug and I want a new love.
I know this might sound far-fetched to some, but I'm sharing this experience because I believe in the power of our thoughts. Whether it's a direct result of the law of attraction or just a strange coincidence, it's undeniable that something extraordinary happened. I encourage you to keep an open mind and explore the possibilities of your own reality. Just try those challenges I updated earlier. Who knows what you might discover? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Share your experiences, questions, or skepticism in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. Use them wisely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it interesting. See you in the next challenge. Until next time, take care.